And here comes number 13, Mr. All coming from the three-point line right now. Oh shit, that nigga's all fucking in the eye, nigga. He's sucking out his neck. He gon' meet that fucking. We gon' kick your dough. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You hit her. Murder, what she flow? Saw him in the scope. I'm about to. Face at up close. He ain't kidding. No, that nigga die. Knock up at your door. Let me in, bitch. I'm gon' need that neck. Fuck he talking, folks. Stay up on that bitch. Don't get pressed. I might take your hoe. Give and go. Pass it to my left. And that fire toe. Lethal weapon.